Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's a new 2025 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf mini loft. This is the 20OG model. It has a private king suite in the front main level of the camper, mid kitchen and bathroom, rear entertainment with a sleeper sofa, table and bar stools, and an upstairs loft area in the front with a fireplace and built-in wardrobe cabinets and a queen mattress, and then also a rear loft area over the rear porch. And this is a destination camper.